How your competitors are quietly winning 89% of your patients. Nobody's telling you why. This is for plastic surgeons who know their work is better than their competitors, but can't figure out why patients keep choosing those competitors if your digital presence is already stronger than anyone in your local market. You won't find a gap here. You're a world-class surgeon, but online, your ideal patients cannot find you. On social media, less credentialized accounts often dominate patient attention. This isn't a social media problem. Over 70% of your patients start their search online. Your invisibility isn't about your reputation, it's about your digital infrastructure. We will now dissect the critical digital deficits causing this and show you why they are correctable. First, your target patient is local and searching with high intent. They are in your neighborhood. They spend an extended period in a consideration mode, seeking a clinic that feels safe. When they search, 50% are on mobile and nearly 29% click on the very first result. That safe feeling is built by consistency across your website, socials, and search results. So, why aren't the best surgeons showing up there? The answer is in the digital mechanisms. Mechanism one, Google's quality standard. Your content is your money or your life, requiring proof of experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. Your website's infrastructure fails to prove this. Recent Google updates actively demote sites with thin, duplicated, or generic AI content. Your website's performance is a proxy for credibility. A slow site makes patients leave instantly. Locally simple mistakes like keyword stuffing your Google profile can get you suspended and erased. But what if you fix all of this and rank number one? A new threat makes even top results invisible. The threat is AI. Google search generative experience answers questions directly in the results. Patients get information without ever clicking to your website. Your traffic vanishes. On social media, platforms restrict surgical content visibility, flagging even educational posts. You're fighting quality standards, AI engines, and biased algorithms, but your practices worsen this with internal mistakes. Are you making them? The biggest mistake is single channel dependency. Relying only on SEO exposes you to algorithm shifts. Relying on ads exposes you to rising costs. A multi-platform system is mandatory for stability. Medical marketing is also complicated. HIPAA. Simple website tracking pixels can trigger massive fines and destroy patient trust. This reveals a core paradox. Patients say they want board certification, but they often choose the surgeon who shows up first with a trustworthy digital presence. Your credentials do not speak for themselves online. They must be structured to satisfy patients and algorithms simultaneously. Remember, the less credentialed accounts, they dominate because they aren't held to the same strict EEAT standards and can sidestep content filters. Now recall the patient's long consideration phase. A single channel like SEO means you're invisible for most of the time they're building trust across platforms. This is the disconnect. You are a high trust expert in a low trust digital system not built for you. Your invisibility is a structural content infrastructure deficit. The problem is now clear. So how do you engineer a system to correct this? Stop thinking in campaigns and start building permanent content infrastructure. This means creating authoritative content and distributing it systematically. This infrastructure satisfies Google's EEAT, provides material AI search, and engages patients every stage. It turns a deficit into authority. Your clinical reputation is earned in the operating room. Your digital reputation must be engineered with the same precision to close this visibility gap. A surgeon who is clinically excellent but digitally absent is not fully serving their market. Correcting this is fundamental to your practice's growth. Hit subscribe for more videos that uncover hidden reasons patients choose another surgeon instead.